If you've ever shopped for a monitor or TV and felt confused by labels like HDR10 and HDR400, you're not alone. These terms sound similar, but the difference between them can drastically change how your content looks. So today, let's break it down in a simple, clear way so you know exactly what you're getting. Let's start with HDR10. This is considered a higher end HDR standard, and the reason is simple. It offers a true 10-bit color depth. That means you get smoother gradients, fewer color banding issues, and richer, more vibrant visuals overall. HDR10 also supports a wide color gamut, so everything from deep shadows to bright highlights looks more lifelike and immersive. HDR400, on the other hand, focuses mainly on brightness rather than color performance. It doesn't support the advanced 10-bit color depth of HDR10, which limits how realistic and vivid the image can appear. So while HDR400 technically counts as HDR, it's definitely on the more basic end of the spectrum. And brightness is where the biggest difference shows up. HDR10 content is designed to reach around 1000 nits of brightness, giving you that dramatic, high contrast wow effect, especially in movies, games, and cinematic scenes. HDR400 peaks at only 400 nits. It's bright enough for everyday use, but it won't deliver the same punch or depth as HDR10. Color and contrast follow the same pattern. HDR10 enhances both significantly, making details pop and colors feel more intense. HDR400 offers improvements too, but they're modest and nowhere near the richness HDR10 delivers. In terms of compatibility, HDR10 is supported on most modern TVs, monitors, streaming services, and gaming consoles. HDR400 is mostly found on entry-level monitors, so its support is more limited. So here's the bottom line. If you want a premium HDR experience with deeper colors, stronger contrast, and full compatibility for movies and gaming, HDR10 is the clear winner. But if you just want basic HDR brightness at a more budget-friendly level, HDR400 can still get the job done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you understand the real difference between HDR10 and HDR400. Stay tuned for more helpful tech breakdowns.